Before we get started with today's video, I want to tell you guys about an awesome company that is helping out with one of the biggest issues that faces all rideshare drivers as well as gig economy workers in general. And what is that issue? It's the issue that if you're not working, you're not getting paid. And no company has taken care of that yet so far until now. Cover. You can check them out in the video description below. There's a link there. If you're sick, if you're injured, or if you're in an accident, your car's in the shop, any of those things, Cover has you covered up to 80% of your income, and they pay out the same day. So for a free 30-day trial with Cover, click on the link in the video description below. All right, let's get on with today's video. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman, and on today's episode, we're talking about 5 items that you need to keep inside your vehicle as a rideshare driver. Awesome. Before we get started today, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can check out our wicked cool videos when we bring them out to you. And share this video with friends, family, and others. And finally, jump down into the comments section below and give us your thoughts and feedback. We'd love to hear from you guys. Truly. Now, let's get this thing started. So, number 1, what you need to keep in your vehicle as a rideshare driver are your stickers, right? You got to keep these in the front of the vehicle and in the back so that when you pull up, your passenger can easily identify your vehicle and you as a rideshare driver. So that's number 1. Keep those stickers in there. Number 2... charging cords. Yeah! So you can whip bad passengers. Yeah! I wish. Alright, so I have an iPhone. Here's my iPhone charger. And then somewhere in here, I also have a Droid charger for those people who use Droid. All 6 of them. Just kidding. Yeah, so I keep those in the vehicle because it's always nice to be able to offer that to your passengers, and inevitably you're gonna get someone who's like, hey, can I charge my phone? I don't have an iPhone. I have a Motorola Razr flip phone. I don't have a charger for that. Okay, number 3, because people aren't as clean as you are. So this has gotten me out of a lot of jams, literally and figuratively. Multi-purpose wipes. The real hero in my vehicle. I have a black interior, so everything shows up extremely well, and if I drop off a passenger and I still plan on continuing to ride and all of their hair from their cat is sitting on my front seat, well, hello, multi-purpose cleaning wipes. And on the same, we're going to count this in the same thing, handy dandy free but yet effective napkins from any fast food restaurant that you stop at. I keep these in my vehicle because eventually you're gonna get a passenger that's like, Achoo! Bro, do you have any Kleenex at all, dude? No, I don't, but I do have these fancy Dunkin' Donut napkins that you're welcome to have so you don't sneeze all over my vehicle and snot everything up. Promise you, you will be happy that you have those kept in your vehicle. Number 4, you need a good phone mount. Because my camera is currently set up, I'm not going to move it to show you my phone mount, but I have a magnetic phone mount, which I highly, highly recommend, because you just put a magnet on the back of your phone case, and then boom, you can put it on that mount, pull it off really easily. And as you know, as a rideshare driver, we're continually needing to grab our phones. So if you have a phone mount that, I don't even know, has the extendable holster, we'll call it, on it, those take forever to use. I highly recommend a magnetic phone mount. You can keep it in an easy to see area so you can watch your navigation screen, accept and decline rides, all that good stuff, and still keep an eye out on the road. Awesome. Where are we at? Number 5. The big number 5. And the bell of the ball. Dun, 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 dun. The puke bag. if you're driving at night, this is essential. The puke bag will save your life and your vehicle's life from smelling when someone pukes after staying out all night and taking too many shots. I live near Arizona State University. There are a lot of girls and young gentlemen that have not yet learned how to hold their liquor. So I highly recommend the puke bag. And you know what? We're going to go for a bonus today. Ooh, the bonus round, number 6. This magic potion I have right here. This is for when I have those passengers that don't take care of their hygiene as well as you do and have bad BO. So instead of using an air freshener in my vehicle, I like to use this little spray bottle, which is flinging water all over the place. But inside I have peppermint and wild orange essential oils with some water. It smells amazing, absolutely amazing. And I can spray this as much as I want. It's not overpowering. Essential oils are extremely healthy to breathe. I'm kind of a health nut, so I appreciate that. And your passengers will like it. I promise you, I've gotten so many passengers that get in and they're like, dude, your car smells amazing. What is that? Just essential oils, bro. Essential oils. So there you go. 6 essential items, including essential oils, that you should keep in your vehicle at all times as a rideshare driver. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have some essential items that I left out, put them in the comment section below. If you like this vehicle, or you like my face, or if you don't, give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate it very much. Thank you guys. You can follow me on the Instagram, at jacob.letman. Jacob, JACOB.LETMAN. That's me. And until next time, y'all, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Take care.